Hi students, today we will see the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Now you know the formula, that is x is equal to negative b plus or minus in root b square minus 4ac upon 2a are the roots of the quadratic equation. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then x is equal to negative b plus or minus in the root 0 upon 2a. Therefore, x value it will be negative b upon 2a. Therefore, the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Means, if the value of b square minus 4ac it is equal to 0, then the roots of the quadratic equations are real and equal. Okay. Now, if the value b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then you can say the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. And if the value b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then you can say the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. Means nature of the root of quadratic equation is determined by the value of b square minus 4ac. And you know that b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of a quadratic equation. Means they can give you find the discriminant of quadratic equations, or we can denote this by the sign delta, like triangle sign. So b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of a quadratic equation, and it is denoted by the Greek letter delta, like triangle. Now look here, again one time I will repeat. If the value, which value, b square minus 4ac, it is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Okay, it is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Means is equal to 0 means that value it should be 0, then real and equal. Greater than 0 means all positive values will be there, then the roots are real and unequal. And suppose it is less than 0, less than 0 means all negative values will be there, then the roots of quadratic equation are not real. Okay, so by using this, you will solve the activity. Fill the blanks. Value of the discriminant already they had given. Just you have to decide the nature of roots. Now the value is 50. 50 it is positive. Means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So the nature of the root is real and unequal. Okay. Now next value, that is negative 30. So the nature of the root is not real and it is exactly 0. So the nature of the root is real and equal. Okay. Do you understand this? One time again I will repeat. If b square minus 4ac means delta or the discriminant, it is equal to 0, then the root of the equations are real and equal. If it is greater than 0, then it is real and unequal, and it is less than 0, then the roots are not real. Okay, by using this information you have to solve the questions from your book. Now next point we will see, that is look. Next is the relation between this has been reduced from your syllabus. Then next point is to obtain a quadratic equation having given roots, means they will give the values of alpha and beta, and you have to just obtain the quadratic equation. Now look, you have to keep in mind the quadratic equation forms. When two roots of the equation are given, then the quadratic equation can be obtained by using the formula, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This formula you have to keep in mind. If alpha and beta are the roots of the given quadratic equation and the variable is x, other than in x any other variable they can use there, but just keep in mind this formula, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Now we will see the activity based on this. Now they given, write the quadratic equation if addition of the root is 10 and product of the root is 9. What is mean by this? Addition of the root means here alpha plus beta's value they given, that is equal to 10, and product means alpha into beta, that is equal to 9. Okay, so the quadratic equation we will get, that is our quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta bracket complete into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So here the quadratic equation, it will be x square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now next activity, there they given the values of alpha and beta. We will see that activity. What will be the quadratic equation if alpha is equal to 2 and beta 5? First of all, we have to find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, and alpha into beta is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, so it is equal to 10. Okay, now we'll put here that values they given already, the boxes, means you have to fill that boxes. Here x square minus 2 plus 5 and 2 into 5, so here that is here x square minus alpha plus, here coefficient of x is 1, so 1 only there. Then here 2 plus 5, that is 7 and 10. Okay, so like this way you have to solve the equations by using the formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. From your syllabus, this relation, this first thing, it has been reduced. So again one time I will repeat this. Nature of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is depend on the value of the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac or delta. Okay, delta is the Greek letter. Now next you have to keep in mind, that is if delta is equal to 0, the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. If delta is greater than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equations are real and unequal. And if delta is less than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. Okay, by using these three conditions, you have to decide the nature of the roots of the given equation. Then one more formula they given there, the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta bracket completed into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Okay, by using this information you have to solve the practice set based on the information. Okay, solve all practice set in your notebook. whatever reduced portion that I had given you before, see that. Okay, and write down the problem set or practice set in your notebook. Thank you. Bye.